Going up?
Oh, yes.
We're gonna go up to 2. Oh, going up? Oh, going up? These are the elevators. Target at East Liberty off of Penn Avenue, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I believe these are Hadfields installed by OTIS. Here are 2. 1.
Thank you for working during retail.
You have a good one, sir. Going down? Think it was the anti-stiff sensors.
Yeah, no, I know, but I'm asking what we're going.
I don't think it was us. I think it was the guy right now.
Oh, okay.
The drive, okay.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna send this one up. You have a good one.
You too.
There you go. Got the door for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, going up?
Okay, thank you.
Oh, going up? Alright. This is the other elevator here.
I knew she would.
I don't want to spend it on
I put my rain, I got the water jug. And you got my 500 on it right now.
You all have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Going down? Man, these are busy today. Man, these things are busy today.
Yes. How's your day going?
Good, how about yours?
That's good.
Here we are, 1. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Have you? These are very big elevators, as usual for a Target. Here's Big Brother for your Fixtures. Innovation Bruiser PV23. Hands-free 8-foot phone. 5,000-pound capacity. Ginormous, man. Wow. And one down 1. Opens right into the store here. Opens up right over there into the store. Opens into the store, as you can tell. We have high efficiency lights, nice. And we have your standard Target style red flaked white floor.